Hello guys, I'm going to do the Nano Tape balloon only today. Okay. Little piece of Nano Tape. We keep it on here. Take this only. Like this here. You can do it. Cutting this corner, sticker it. You not take like this, you not blow, not like this. OSP sheet is in there. You take the OSP sheet and then put it in the dustbin and blow it. We cut this corners. So nice one. Yeah, it is not very stubborn. Take the sketch. Oh my gosh! See, like this will be only go, but your Nano Tape is so nice only, no? Bye guys. Okay, I do more times. See, my Nano Tape is like this. Now like this only. I will do like good now. Let's try now. Yeah. Let's try one more time. The boss returns. Correctly or a coward. Like this you have to stick. Like this only you have to stick. Like this only you have to stick. See, on OSP sheet, see, on OSP sheet is in here only. We have to take the OSP sheet like this only. This OSP sheet only.